Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. Bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. See in this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my everything and all that I know is. It would be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. Very soon I'm hoping that I marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me to the day that I die, yeah. Gonna marry a princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. Can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle in the arm of her father. On the day that I marry your daughter. Thank you.